Oh yes.
Go on, boy.
Oh yes.
Why do I get the link?
Oh mate, this feels like a nice one.
Is it another good?
Yeah. Look at my rod.
Oh my!
Yes! Oh, he's off. And then he was off. Get in. Get in, bud. On the lure as well.
Yeah.
Get on board! Is it? That's not a bad one.
Oh.
It's not a... Yep, I'm in. Oh, he's off. Mate!
Oh mate, it's an old fish.
Yeah, it's not a bad one. You didn't give me a... You know, you really disappointed me there. You didn't give me a good fish on.
No, it wasn't.
Oh, fish on!
You fish on.
Fish on! Oh, yeah.
Oh, seems good.
What's
That.
this? Giving us a little bit of a scrap.
Pollock.
Woo. See you, boy. I think the Rex would do the pollock.
No, I took it on the drop.
Yeah, it did.
Sorting out, you know. It's a spinner. That's
Fish on the sounder.
it's all about the orange now. It was pink.
Maybe it was the.
It's crazy that you can sit next to someone.
Maybe it was the yellow.
I've got yellow on though now. I've got pink yellow. But it's crazy that you can sit right next to someone. They take that one. It's like I haven't had a hit. I haven't had a hit. And you're on the drop. The fish must be over there. Oh, that's it. This is a lot of cod.
Ooh, 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 ooh.
Pollock. That's a pollock, that, you know. That's a pollock. That's not a cod, unless it's a big rat.
It's a cod this. It's a cod this and it's a good one.
What?
It's a cod this and it's a good one.
No. Right, I know you done me there. Go on, boy.
The double.
Ah, mate, this is a good fish. It's heavy. Is it good?
It's not a bad one, mate. Definitely a keeper.
Tell the difference, like, mate. Imagine that 4 pound.
Mate, trust, it just feels like a lump. There's another one to match.
Mate, there's standard fish.
There you go, Rob. Robala. Sorry, but the fish finder's going mad, so it's going back down.
Mate, that's mate.
Yep. Yep. We're in.
So good.
Man. Yeah.
That's a pollock, that.
Snoddies, mate. Snoddies.
Snoddies.
There's so many fish here, bro.
Mate, we're on them again. Mate, I've never had one before.
Nice one.
Is that a good size wrasse as well? Mate.
Yeah, it's not bad. Haven't you got your...
Fucking spiders.
You're right, Melon, you like.
Mate, it's spiders. Fucking nut.
I'm sorry. I'll try.
Fucking nut. Pierced us with its fucking spine.
He's done you. He's absolutely done you. Venomous, them, you know.
Shut up, man. I'm still over them.
Oh, getting hit like mad. Yeah, same.
Have a look up, please. It was like, mate,
Got the same one, mate.
this isn't a cod.
This could be another wrasse.
We're hitting the rock.
We got the same wrasse. You see the way the lines are going down. That one's an oddie. This is a small one. Oh, we've hit another group of fish here. That's not a bad one, mate. Oh, that's about the same size. Straight back. Oh, there's loads. Quick.
What?
There's loads. Listen to the fish fight.
Oh, mate.
Oh, it's not a good. This is giving a bit of an account. It's for itself. It's not tiny, though. Probably. I've got a bad thing about saying that. Wait. That's not a bad one, that, mate. I think that one might come home. That was a decent one, mate. Nah, we'll let this one go. Still not that big.
It's alright.
Nice one, though. What's yours like? It's got another bit of a scrappy doodle do, that, isn't it?
Dead weight. It's coming up now with like a sack of potatoes. I don't know if I've got a double shot, you know.
It's coming in backwards. That's because you said.
No, that's fucking class, isn't it?
That's karma.
That's fucking karma, isn't it?
I'm in again.
Are you in again?
Yeah.
No, you want to get the laws on. I thought I was in there. I am.
It's Cod City up there. There's just still loads of fish on the sounder. Oh, they're hitting it. Oh. Oh.
What?
Oh, this one feels heavier.
What, is it good?
I've got to set the drag on. Mate, this one feels better.
Oh, mate, I think might have a good one. Oh, that's a good one.
This one feels a wee bit. Whoa. He's pulling back.
What, you in?
Yeah, keep it.
Mate, that's a good one.
Fish on here. I've really got to set this drag.
Are we still on the fish?
I want this one.
Are we still on the pole?
Yeah.
That's a good fish. Could be a ling.
I'm scared.
Could be a ling.
It could be a ling, I'm scared.
Really hope it's a ling, you know.
Can you see it?
Oh. It's good. It's a good fish. Oh, it's a banger.
Where's the net? 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 Where's the net?
Oh, it's a banger. I'm in, mate. I'm in. I've got a fish. Oh my god. Chin it, chin it. Yes! Yes! £6 that, you know, all day long.
Might be, I think it's 5. I think it's 5.
Good fish, mate. That's what we come for. That was in with a fish. Yes.
That's more like it.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah, stop biting me, you little twat.
Get him, mate. Get him.
He's biting me.
Get him.
That's the ones we've come for.
Yes, mate.
Aye. I'd say 4, 4.5, maybe 5. That is the one. Get in. Mouth on it. Get on.
Mate, that's a fucking bomb buzzing for that one.
That's the one.
Didn't even have no
That is what we came for, that, mate, isn't it?
Mate, a fucking belter.
Get us back on that. Oh, there's so many, bro.
I hope you get one on the log. It's fucking sick.
Oh, he's hit it.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
It's totally different on the log.
Oh, it's different, like.
It's so different on the log.
Oh, that was nice.
Oh, mate.
That was nice. Feels like a nice one as well.
It's totally different. I'm off at the log.
Different gravy, that. Mate.
Oh, it's picking out the better ones. It's picking out the better ones. Oh, mate, I'm putting the log. I thought. Wow, I had the field.
What is this colour called again?
That's the pink. This is his pink combo.
Unreal. Catch his colour.
That was easy, though. Oh,
Oh, get in. It's just class.
that's the pink and yellow one, isn't it?
Yeah.
I've got orange and yellow. Mate, they're on the lows now, but they were being yesterday. Oh, mate, that big in your pack. What a beast. In again.
Yeah, boy. I like it, this colour, mine.
It's the pink, isn't it? Rob says that they love the pollock, love it.
Mate, barely gets to the bottom. Yes, boy! Oh, that's a nice one. Liam's in, and I'm putting one back. Get in. That looks a decent one, that.
It feels a bit better. But you never know.
They feel
do
so
you?
different to the pollock, don't they?
Yeah.
They're just like they're weighty.
Mate, yours took a little while to come in. This is nowhere near, but we're up.
Yeah, but I was playing it really soft because I was on the small hooks on them.
Mate, on the low, I love the low.
It's not a bad fish, that, mate.
It's not
Oh,
a bad,
he's inhaled it.
it's not a bad fish. Why do they always inhale them? That's a good fish, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a nice one.
Absolutely inhaled it. Like that pollock.
Has it gone? Yeah.
Let's bump it.
Boy!
Is that good?
That was a good take. Oh man, that was a brilliant take. This feels slightly heavier. Does it? Can't tell. It had a moment where it felt heavy, but probably coming in backwards. Yeah, the fish finder, by the way.
Let me look.
That's not a bad one.
What?
Oh, it's just about in swinging range, that.
What? Mate, that bent the hook, you know.
Did it?
Yeah. Getting out. 3, 2, 1. Fish on.
Get in. Oh, I was in as well. Yeah, he's fucking spat it. Get in, boy. You got it? Ling! What the fuck? I'd never catch ling, man.
Lings, bro.
I'd never catch ling.
What's he usually keeping size for a ling?
I don't know. It's probably keeping size. It's just like the fillets you'll get off them won't be big. I mean, there's a fair bit of meat there.
Have the ling.
Could do, like. Oh yes.
Go on, boy.
Oh yes.
Why do I get the ling?
Oh mate, this feels like a nice
Is it
one.
another good?
Yeah. Look at my rod. God, be a ling.
What?
Be a ling or another. Mate, this is holding. This is holding, bro. It feels like I'm snaked.
Go on, mate.
This is a good fish, this though.
You got your drag set?
Good shout.
Just in case.
Mate.
Mate.
Here he is.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh my
Oh
god!
yeah. Oh
Wait,
yeah.
there's a head in it. There's a fucking head in it.
Oh no, I'll chin him.
Chin him, chin him.
Chin him, chin him. He's hooked well, he's hooked well.
Oh my
Yes! That's why we come to Dunbar.
Mate!
That's why we come to Dunbar.
Oh yeah! Mate!
What's the size of his
Look,
mouth?
I can still be fucking. He's still got the lure on it. Oh,
I don't know what that looks like because of the sun, but
What a fish.
that's a good cod.
Oh, mate.
I'm chuffed. Hey, you little bugger, right?
Mate, did it?
Ah! Look at him proper biting down on me.